First, cook 1 pound of ground beef. I also add 1 onion. You definitely don't have to add as much onion as me, or you can skip it altogether. I just really like it. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I then added half a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Remove the excess grease. Add a 26-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce and 1 cup of water. Stir it all together well and remove from heat. Get 15 ounces of small curd cottage cheese, 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, and 1 egg. Then mix it all together. Spray your slow cooker with non-stick cooking spray, and this is important. Your slow cooker size will greatly affect how many lasagna layers you have and how thick the layers are. For reference, I'm using a 6-quart oval slow cooker in this video. Start with a layer of meat sauce. I used about 1 heaping cup. Then put a layer of lasagna noodles. I break off a few smaller pieces to help form the layer. Then add a layer of the cheese mixture. Continue layering the lasagna with meat sauce first, then noodles, then the cheese mixture. The diagram on the screen shows how many layers I was able to make of each. I had to really stretch it to end up with this. Make sure you save enough of the meat sauce to use as your last layer for topping off the lasagna. Now put the lid on and cook on low for 3 to 5 hours. You'll know it's done when the noodles have softened and most of the liquid is absorbed. When it's finished, add half a cup of shredded mozzarella and half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I also topped with a little more fresh parsley. Then put the lid back on just for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it's ready. Please consider giving the video a like, and thank you for watching.